Hey everyone, Gil here, Gray Man Preppy. Oh man, I'm worse today than I was yesterday. I started this earlier. I'm redoing the whole thing because, well, basically I got on the Gazelle about 3 minutes in, had to stop, run to the bathroom, came back out, started it again. After about 3 or 4 minutes, stop, run to the bathroom. I've been spending a lot of time in the bathroom. So I got a total of 56 calories burnt on the Gazelle, and that was after about eight, coming back, starting, just picking up where I left off, and so I'm not going to be doing any exercises for you here. Later on this afternoon, if the Imodium AD kicks in and my bowels come under control, I may try videoing another one, or I'll just do some exercising on it and just work around it. So that brings us up to the your prep for today. Toilet paper. Yeah, I killed off one entire roll in the one bathroom this morning. Yeah, I could put out a dumpster fire from 10 feet away just by bending over and letting loose. Man. All right, so yeah, that's it. Make sure you got plenty of your diarrhea medications, plenty of toilet paper, whatever else you might need during cold season, cough drops, stuff like that. And on my tomato plant in the big blue tub here, I got a little sprout coming up. So one of the tomato seeds germinated. The one that actually chitted in the thing, planted. I don't know what happened to it. So I sprinkled a couple other seeds in that tub, and sprinkled some potting mix on top of it, watered it, and it took about 8 days, and one sprouted. I'm expecting to see some more sprouts here today, and I'll pick out the best. And I'll give them about a week or so, and I will leave the one that's in the best condition. I'll just pull the others. And I got a couple cabbages that popped up in one of the restaurant busing bins, and so I'm letting them go to see which one. I've got lights on them now, see which one grows the best, and I'll pull the others. All right, take care, get prepared. Well, you know why.